Hi guys, my name is Victor. In this video we're going to look at how we can write tests for AngularJS applications with ES6, and I'm assuming that you are writing your applications in ES6 also. So we're going to be using Karma, and for browser we're going to be using Phantom.js. It's a headless WebKit based browser and you're most probably using it yourself. If you're not, well, give it a shot. It's pretty swell. Anyway, to understand what we're going to do next, we need to think about a couple of things first. So here we have our application and it's written ES6 evidently. So ES6 is something that the browser currently does not understand, and the solution was transpilers. We convert ES6 to ES5, and most probably all of us have already used Babel. So Babel converts our ES6 to ES5, but that again is cannot be directly run by the browser because the format is usually in a common JS module format. That has to be converted again into something the browser can understand, and that's where another tool called Browserify comes in, and that's what we're going to be using. We're going to be using Babel to convert ES6 to ES5, and I'm going to be using Browserify to actually convert that thing into something the browser can understand. So for that we have the Karma Browserify package, and we need to run this bit of code here: npm install Karma Browserify and Browserify and Watchify. And we're also going to need Babelify. This is a transform for Browserify. So once that is done, once you've installed both these packages and all their dependencies, we're going to need to change the Karma config a bit. First thing first, you need to add Browserify as a framework for Karma. Then you need to set a bunch of options on Browserify. Here I'm just setting the debug option, and I'm passing Babelify as a transform, and Babelify is passing these options directly to Babel. So I'm using the ES 2015 presets here. Finally, we need to pass we need to say we want to use Browserify for our sources and also our tests. All my sources and tests are going to be in the source directory. So fine, once all of that's done, once you've installed that, once you've changed your config file, you will want to just run a simple sanity check. Karma start, and it's starting. Okay, fine. It says executed 00. That's an error. So this means everything's fine, that there's nothing wrong yet. There is nothing wrong with our code. So if there is something wrong, if you're getting some other error, I recommend you Google for that error and find a solution for it. Now that that's done, we can actually go ahead and check out what happens when we actually write our test. I've already written a test. All it does is going to check if scope.data is defined and if it has this value. So this is my test here, and currently it's outside my source directory, so it's not actually executing the test yet. So I'm just gonna move that here, and it detects it, and there we go, success. So it has successfully converted our app and our test from ES6 to ES5, and it's actually run them correctly in the Phantom.js browser. So to recap, you will need Karma Browserify and its dependencies. You will need Babelify. Then after that, you need to configure karma.conf.js, add Browserify as a framework, give Browserify a bunch of options, and add a preprocessor as Browserify. And with that done, you should be good to go with your testing in ES6. So I hope this video helped you guys. Well, yeah, I really hope it did. So thanks for watching. I hope to see you guys in some other video.